Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Binance Cashback Voucher. It's pretty simple. So what we need to do first is we need to go to binance.com, log into your account, and from here we need to access the page for rewards. In this case, at the top right of your screen, go ahead and click on the option that says your icon or an icon that you see there. Then go ahead and scroll down a little bit and look for the reward tab option. Now from here what we need to do next is we need to access a specific page here. You can go to the my voucher section here, and in this section this is where you will be able to see all the browse vouchers that you have on your account. Now if you want to claim a voucher code here, what we need to do is we just need to click on the voucher code at the top right of your screen, and we just need to enter the code and just click on the claim voucher option. Now once you claim on it, it should be listed in the my voucher section, which in this case whenever you make a transaction, like for example you cashed in into your Binance, and the next time that you did that you will get like 10-20 USD back into your account. It's going to be something really helpful if you want to increase the funds that you have already for transactions or any trades that you want to perform. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.